Right now we are standing in the Integrated Science Research Lab located in the Cox Science Center. The Cox Science Center is home to the departments of Chemistry and Biology, which drive and support STEM education here at the U. As a student, you may take a lecture section of a science class here as well as a related lab course. Integrated science courses held in this lab are reserved for highly motivated first-year STEM students with an interest in gaining early scientific research and experience. Home to world-class STEM teaching and research, the Cox Science Center houses state-of-the-art facilities where students have the opportunity to discover answers to real-world questions. Students are encouraged to work alongside distinguished faculty who are working on groundbreaking research and have vibrant undergraduate research labs. In recent years, faculty and student researchers have teamed up across disciplines to study climate patterns and anomalies, understand the role of copper to neurodegenerative disease progression and cancer metastasis, and understand the effects of mindfulness of the brain, just to name a few. This type of research takes place right here in Cox, and you can be a part of it as soon as you arrive on campus. Adjacent to the building is the Neuroscience and Health Annex, an interactive hub for interdisciplinary research with faculty who are working on advancing some of the world's leading neuroscience and health research. From understanding the developing infant brain to the process of how we age, faculty researchers are pushing the frontiers of human knowledge. Beyond the Cox Building is the Gifford Arboretum, home to the collection of more than 500 species of plants and trees maintained for education and research. It is not only a favorite place for students to hang out, but also home to our newly constructed state-of-the-art greenhouse, a facility instrumental for the Department of Biology to maintain its leadership in tropical sciences. Students who select a specialization in STEM develop expertise in designing and conducting research that advances scientific knowledge about STEM teaching and learning.